my game, I get pushed right down to the bottom again. It's like a roller coaster. I go up, 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 and like a roller coaster, I get down, down, down. Not trying to play around, but I'm never serious. Life's too short to be furious. So smile, girl, and plant a kiss on my cheek. We could be best friends till the end of next week, or till you get tired of my lack of respect for all those people that be talking at the side of the net. I do what I want, and I say what I say. You can hate all you want, but I was born this way. No plans on changing my views on life. There's things I can't forget, like riding a bike. People are assholes, I've learned this long ago. The world is populated by pimps and hoes. They're always looking for something to take from you, from her and his piece of cake. So you can let that happen, or you can refuse. But me, I'm not a fan of being used. Been down that road, and it gives me the blues. But the past is the past, and the present is now. I'm trying to bust some flows in your face like pout. And if you don't like it, you can get the fuck out. But if you do like it, raise your hands and shout. Cause I'm not a fan of people that sit and pout. I'm just getting started, this my introduction. Don't fall in love, now down with reproduction.